We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up MGAM stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a bearish red small candle with a press up to the top. So we have to see what's going on with that. We can see prices coming from type of area of support. So we do have price action overall of structure, higher highs, price action overall structure, lower lows. And we're going to just take a look at where price is hanging out at, which is the bottom of that second to last candle wick. And let's also add a midpoint between these SR lines to see what's going on with price action. So price is currently sitting at 2.27. If price work his way up from this area, it can head up to 4.49. There's also a midpoint in that area where it can stop first, so it can stop at prices of 3.86 before making up to 4.49. And if price action reverse, it can reverse back to 2.27, maybe gain some support to work its way up back further. If not, it'll drop down to the next lower level of 2.15. So let's talk about the market with the candles, what happened. So price action ran into area resistance. It came from a bottom. So what happened was price action started at the low, pushed up to the top, pushed right back down to that support, and just worked its way sideways. Okay, so there's a few things that could be happening. It could be identifying market came up, came back down to push right back up. So it'll retest and draw some type of double bottom if it's working its way back up. If not, we can see that market just work its way down for lower levels, which will be identified price action as the second last candle will be the break. Price action will be the retest. If we receive another pattern, it can just drop down lower. Then it'll probably be in the negative then. Walking down to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame is a bearish red candle. So market like is working its way down from that area of that third to last candle. So what happened is that market broke. Third last candle came back to retest that previous side, and price pushed down further. But price, the second last candle, retest that bottom of support. So that's like an area of consolidation within here. So what's happened is that that fourth last candle spiked down, third last candle pushed up, second last candle spiked down, tagged the area of support. And if it's respected for a pattern to push out, we'll see that market turn around and draw out that double bottom. If not, we'll just be identifying that break retest, and the market push through and retest the bottom and works its way through, which will be going eventually in the negative. So far, price second, third, fourth last candle in the market is in that area of consolidation. Walking down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have price action as a bearish red doji with the second last candle, third last candle, fourth last candle are all dojis in the market, which is considered consolidation. And for we're looking for something to break out this area to work its way to the top side or the bottom side. So what's happening in that area is that if there's a patterns formed for this market to break out, then we'll identify that structure of that overall first, second, third, and we'll get some type of engulfment pattern towards the second to last candle and third last candle body to push that market up into that W formation, retest the top of that SR line of price of sitting at 2.69 for market to work its way up to 3.27. So market will be coming from a double bottom and a retest. And if it breaks through this area of resistance, we'll see the break, retest, and the market breaks, retest, and keeps working its way down. Or we can receive that consolidation as we're receiving now. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is a bearish red candle, same as the second and third. So market's consolidating. So we're waiting for a pattern to identify itself. If it's bullish and green, and if it engulfs the price and second to last candle in the market, it can push up to price of 2.44, and if it breaks out of that level, then we'll see probably a break and retest of that area, which will be identified first, second, third, and markets breaking out, retesting to head up to the next area. Walking down to the 3-hour time frame, same as well. So we can see that market's trying to form another pattern here. Like I said before, we want to see a bullish green candle to engulf the price action, or that overall 3 candles in that market, or the overall 4 candles in that market to really push that market up out this SR line to break and retest. So it could be identifying that first, second, third. If we do receive a pattern in that area towards the end, market creating that W from an overall W in that market as well. Walking down to a 2-hour time frame, same as well. So we do have price second, third, and fourth, the last candle. The market's consolidating side by side. Some is within the body, some is within the wicks, but it's still an area of consolidation within this area here. So what we have here is coming down in red first, second, third, and we're going to see if that market's going to spike up and push out, but it had to engulf the second last candle. But so far we do have a bearish red candle that's tagging that area of support, still side by side, so that market's consolidating. Walking down to 1-hour time frame, market's starting to get choppy. Price action, bullish green candle, very weak. Second, third, dojis as well, so very weak. So we just want to pay attention to market breaks out of this area here. If you guys are trading that 1-hour time frame or looking for that investment stock to take that market up, so you want to see the market break out the SR line. So current price is sitting at 2.29. You want to see price tag the area of 2.33 and eventually break out that top end. Same as 45-minute time frame, same as the 30-minute time frame, same as a 15-minute time frame. Market's just extending out. Same as the 5-minute, same as the 3-minute, and same as the 1. So we got to let this market do what it do, give it time for this market to build a solid structure. Look at this time frame on as low as the 2-hour time frame, or maybe as low as the 4-hour time frame, to see what that market is really going to do to push this market up, or it's going to push down or continue to consolidate as it's doing currently. Very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. MGAM stock.